Hello guys, we are happy to meet you today again in this project of 3 bedroom that we've been showing you. We've been casting severally since we began from setting out. We went to the foundation. We have done what we call the walling. We have done the ring beam. We have done the wall masonry, and now for today we are coming here to show you the roofing. Now we are on the roofing stage. This is week 3. We are week 3 of this work, and now we are on the roofing stage. As you can see that today we are moving on well. So this is our roofing design, dear viewers. This is how it has come through, and I have put so many roofing members, as you can see. I would just like to show you. I would just like to show you that I'll just be mentioning now. There are these members that are running vertically towards the king post. Those members are called the rafters, and then also they are called the rafters, and I don't know if it can be viewed now. So they are the rafters, and you can see they are running slightly vertical. They are running slightly vertical. So those are the rafters. Then we have these members that are going vertically. That is, they are intercepting at 90 degrees. So that is those members, we call them the king posts. So these are the king posts that are going 90 degrees. So we have another one. We have another one running horizontally. We have another one's running horizontally. As you can see this one running horizontally. This one is called the tie beam. So this is the tie beam. The ones going there are the king posts, and you can see these ones going slanting on another one. They're called the struts. Now we have got now the ones that are arranged at a distance of at least 300 millimeters. As you can see, at a distance of 300 millimeters. So these ones are called the purlins, the members supporting the rafters. Now, this is our house. This is the skeletal part of the roofing members. Is the skeletal part of the roofing members. I think you can show them up there. So you can see which design each room has brought. You can see the design that each room has brought. You can see. So we are in the master bedroom, and you can see in the master bedroom we have the toilet, and the toilet is ending somewhere there. So you can. That's why it's bringing a valley. A very beautiful one. A very beautiful one. You can also. We have we have our rare porch for the master room. This is a rare porch for the master room. You can see it's also having its own porch. The king post, it has got one king post which is 2.5, and also the rafters, the purlins, the tie beams, and the king and the struts. So this is the roofing process that we are going on, and I also told my members before they are putting any kind of fascia board, before they are putting any sorry, what do you call, before putting the iron sheets, first of all we put the fascia board. So you can see how this fascia board is looking. You can see. So by tomorrow when we are putting the iron sheets, you'll be able to see, this fascia boards. You'll be able to see the beautification of this fascia board as per the reflection of the iron sheets. So you can see this is the fascia board. So we are at roofing level. We are at roofing level, and our house is moving on well. Everything is nice in this house. Everything is going on well. My fans, I want you to remember that this is day 3. This is week 3 of the construction. Sorry, not day 3. This is week 3, and you can see the progress of our work. You can see actually the promising progress of this work. You can see what we are really doing. Eh? So you can see what we are doing. So this is also, this is on the side of the dining hall, the dining room. uh, you can see the appearance, the physical appearance. These are just the purlins that are bringing these beautifications. Remember, we have not yet installed our iron sheets, and iron sheets, as I designed uh, brick tile, brick tile versatile matte finish gauge 28. So you can imagine how durable is this house. So this is brick tile. This is the west brick tile matte finish. It's matte finish because it's the texture feels rough, and also the gauge, it is gauge 28, which means we are going to have the best house ever, the best house ever in terms of durability and the beautification. So this is our room, this is our house. As you can see how it's being uh, beautiful. So this is the side of the two bedrooms. This is the side of the two bedrooms, and you can see how it looks beautiful. You can see how it looks beautiful. Now this is the rear porch for the kitchen. You can also see its unique beautification. So this is it. Now let's go through the rear area of this building. So this is the rear area of the building, where it composes of a wall that is carrying the one bedroom, the toilet, the common toilet, and also what we call the master toilet. So this is the process that we are that we are doing today, and we have managed to do this. And this roofing, it has taken about, now today is day 4 of the roofing for this massive house. And I think we are doing on well. We are doing with a very nice price, very friendly price, and we do the perfect work. As you can see, we don't just advertise what we don't show you. This is what we are doing. And I think since we began the construction of these houses, from setting out, we've been giving you the details on it, and until today when we are in roofing stage. And you can see, you can actually comment the kind and the type of work we are doing, and you'll be I'll be happy tomorrow to tell you, to show you also the roofing now, when once we have installed our iron sheets. So for today, this is what I was to come and tell you through our channel, the Garytech Interior Design. So our guys, we are going on well, and we are happy that we are receiving referrals. We are having 2 more ongoing active projects that we have just got this year from our channel, and we encourage you people to continue viewing, also continue also referring us, because we produce a very good work. We do the quality work, and we make sure that the client doesn't get losses during times of maybe for repair, because we are doing a good construction. Our construction process is always manageable, and that is why we also make sure that we don't want to get our client crying because there is leakage, there is cracks, there is what, and that's why we are doing very perfect work, and we promise to do our work as much as we can to make sure that diligent work is produced at the end of the day. We encourage you to continue watching our channel. Also, don't forget to share, also like, view, comment, tell us something, tell us anything. We will be able to reply back, we'll be able to respond to whenever, on whichever the questions you will might have questions on. Maybe you have a building that it has got problems, and you have a question to ask on how to be helped. We are here, we will help you, we will answer you immediately on that question. Maybe you want to construct, and maybe you are afraid of the process to begin. We are here, we can mobilize, we can show, we can advise you on how you can begin your construction to have a very decent home. We are very happy, and for you to get us, we have our numbers. They will be casted under the screen, so you will be seeing them, and we make sure that we are in touch every time we are online. You can call us, you can text, you can chat, whichever the way you can find us. So for today, this is what I was to tell you. Let's meet next time as we are doing the iron sheet. Thank you.